China announced that it will ban hidden door handles on cars. This measure will take place in January 2027. This is a major decision because these handles are now part of several electric vehicles around the world, including the US and of course China. Chinese authorities are saying that the reason behind this decision is to address safety security concerns. Basically because there have been some accidents involving allegedly some door problems. In more simple terms, that the doors didn't work and people couldn't get out.
不带这种的，如果要是发生特别水淹的时候啊，很危险，特别有时候出现那种事故是打不开的，所以相当危险。如果要能带机械的呢，能打开，也能逃生，我感觉这是很好的。还是隐藏式把手呢，对这个老人对这什么人呢不太友好，这是我个人。隐藏式把手，它支持它。这个。办法，
就是这个，比方说有紧急情况，开着车门锁，我可以本能的去拽。但你要电子的，我打不开，是吧？我都不知道去开哪儿去了。可能它这个隐藏的会备用一些安全锁，但我不知道在哪儿。可能我意识，因为那种紧急情况下时间很紧嘛，我必须得第一时间我就去拽的。可能我再找的话，可能就是那种就很麻烦。
The ban will take effect on January 1st, 2027, but for those cars already approved, companies will have until January 1st, 2029 to make some changes. For some analysts, China is the first country in doing something like this.